everyone. Welcome to you all in today's class of environment. Open your textbook. Open page number 80. Unit 10. Day and night and seasons. Read. Friends, every day we see the sun rising and setting. But time of rising and setting of sun is not same every day. We have prepared various notes in My Observation 1 in June, My Observation 2 in September and My Observation 3 in December. See children, every day sun rises and sun sets. But this timing in a day of sunrise and sunset is different. So, here we have prepared observation according to the months in June, September and December. On the basis of these details, we have also prepared note on clothing, vegetables and food recipes. Based on this observation, fill up the following details. We have to fill up the details, and on the basis of these details, we will learn about clothing, vegetables and food in different seasons. Write. Table. Write on the basis of 1 to 3. Here we have to fill up the table. Observation. Details 1. Note the time of rising and setting of sun. Children, here we have to write the observation of 3 months, June, September and December. We have to write the rising time and setting time with the date. In June, rising time is 5:55 am on 3/6/2020 and setting time is 19:19 pm 3/6/20. On the same date, fill up in your textbook. In month of September, rising timing is 6:23 am on 1st September 2020 and setting time is 18:27, means 6:27 in the evening on 30 September 2020. In December, rising time is 7:05 am on 1st December 2020 and setting time is 17:52, means 5:52 in the evening on 1st December 2020. When did the sun rise the earliest? So, sunrise earliest at 5:55 am in June on 3/6/2020 in June month. Fill up these details in your textbook. Let's move to the next page. See on page number 81. Details 2. Note the time of the sunset and rise. Note the time when the sun sets the latest. In June, rising time is 5:58 am on 30 June 2020 and setting time is 19:27 pm on 29th June 2020. In September, rising time is 6:24 am on 2nd of September in 2020 and setting timing is 18:57 on 1st of September 2020. Rising time is 7:22 in December on 31st December 2020. Setting time is 18:03, means 6:03 pm on 30 of December 2020. When did sun set the latest? 1927 in June, 29th June 2020. Write in your textbook. Fill in the colors. Details 1. My observation. Time of sunrise in the morning, day, and time of sunset in the evening. June, September and December. C. You have to fill up the color by yourself. You have to see the details 1 on page number 80. There you have to see the sunrise timing and you have to fill the color here of June, September and December. In June there was the long day and in December there was a short day. So color the timing in the given boxes according to the details 1 from page number 80. Then details 2. Time of sunset in the evening and time of sunrise in the next day and night. So here also you have to see the table of details 2 on page number 81. Okay, and then fill up the colors June, September and December. In June the night was short and December there was a long night. So children, here also you have to fill up the colors. Think and say what differences can be seen between details 1 and 2. So, in details 1 we can see that the days of June are long and the nights are short, whereas the days in December are short. In details 2 we can see that the nights in December are long and days are short. Hence days are long in summer and nights are long in winter. This is the difference. Okay children, so you have to complete this in your textbook. Have a nice day. Goodbye.